Exxon's earnings reports come out. OPEC cuts crude oil production, and how the Department of Energy is affected by the 2011 fiscal budget. This is the Daily Energy Report. Hello and welcome to the Daily Energy Report for Tuesday, February the 2nd. I'm Ben Lack and I'll be bringing you top stories coming from the energy sector. Leading off, ExxonMobil saw a 23% drop in its earnings in the fourth quarter. Net income fell from $7.8 billion to $6 billion for the largest U.S. oil company, and findings show that smaller profits are due to a lag in its oil refining business and weak natural gas prices that outweighed higher crude oil prices. According to a Bloomberg News survey, for the first time in 5 months, January saw the first cut in crude oil production by OPEC. Output declined 45,000 barrels a day last month to average 28.955 million barrels, according to the survey of oil companies, producers, and analysts. And of the 11 countries with quotas, all except Iraq pumped above their agreed-upon targets. The drop in production is seen by many as a way to manage the high supply levels currently hitting the industry. Venezuela saw its oil production drop by 55,000 barrels a day, which was the largest of any OPEC member. And finally, U.S. Secretary of Energy Stephen Chu yesterday detailed President Obama's $28.4 billion fiscal budget request for 2011 for the Department of Energy. In an effort to curb the national deficit, the budget has several DOE program reductions and terminations. One is the elimination of more than $2.7 billion in tax subsidies for oil, coal, and gas industries. This step is estimated to generate more than $38.8 billion in revenue for the federal government over the course of the next 10 years. Another is the termination of ultra-deepwater exploration programs, which will save the country $50 million, and the cancellation of planned expansions of the Strategic Petroleum Reserve, which saves $71 million for the DOE. Some highlights in the budget include over $750 million in additional funding for research projects and lending opportunities of new energy technologies, and more than $550 million in new funding for the NNSA's Defense Nuclear Non-Proliferation Program. That's all the time that we have for today. Thanks for watching and tune in tomorrow to check out the latest Daily Energy Report. Have a great day.